courageous, righteous, hopeful. We need new heroes.
Steve believed in you. He trusted you. He gave you that shield for a reason. That shield, that is everything he stood for. That is his legacy. He gave you that shield and you threw it away like it was nothing.
I don't know if there's ever been a greater symbol. But it's more about the man who propped it up. And he's gone. Maybe this is something you or Steve will never understand. But can you accept that I did what I thought was right?
Look, is this guy bothering you?
No, he's not bothering me. Do you know who this is?
They will never let a black man be Captain America.
We can't lose this fight. All our struggles as a people, I think about it and I used to say, I'm gonna show them. I'm gonna go out and change the world. What would be the point of all the pain and sacrifice if I wasn't willing to stand up and keep fighting? The legacy of that shield is complicated.
It's just that shield's the closest thing I've got left to a family.
Symbols are nothing without the women and men that give them meaning. So today we honor Steve's legacy, but also we look to the future. Thank you, Captain America. I'll do my best.
That's why it's yours.
That's the Black Falcon there.
Nah, that's Captain America.
I'm a black man carrying the stars and stripes. What don't I understand?
Say it. Say it. Come on!
No super serum. No blonde hair or blue eyes.
Let's hear it for Captain America!
The only power I have is that I believe we can do better.
When Steve told me what he was planning, I don't think either of us really understood what it felt like for the black man to be handed the shield. Nice job, Cap.
Thanks. Now they'll never forget what you did for this country.
I'm sorry.
Sam, listen to me. No point in my life did I ever think you were running away from anything.